Hey guys! If you're someone who's tired of feeling bloated or constantly battling with digestion issues, I have to tell you about something I've been using recently, Finessa. I've been using it for a few weeks, and wow, the results are honestly impressive. I'm no stranger to trying digestive products, but nothing has worked as quickly or effectively as Finessa. After just a few days, I noticed a huge difference. My bloating? Gone. My digestion? So much smoother. Here's the thing, Finessa isn't just about feeling better for a few hours. It helps support your liver, gut, and colon all at once. It boosts bile flow, makes digestion easier, and helps keep everything moving smoothly throughout the day. What I love about it is the natural ingredients, like dandelion, milk thistle, and probiotics. These ingredients aren't just buzzwords, they actually support your gut in a way that feels natural and gentle. I was genuinely shocked at how quickly I started to feel lighter, more energized, and just better overall. No more stomach discomfort or sluggish days. Finessa made such a difference. The best part? It's super easy to use. Just one scoop every morning, and you're good to go. It actually tastes pretty decent too, not like some of the other stuff I've tried. Honestly, if you're tired of feeling weighed down by digestive issues, Finessa could be the solution. It's made a huge difference for me, and I'm sure it could for you too. Thanks for listening. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you soon.